Good evening, but let's go high. What's going on in Bukuni Bupirim? Ape, we must not mistake movement with progress.
Shot fired. So but then like in your life.
It's respecting the platform, you know.
Yes, true. Shut up. Where's the horn for that? Horn.
Yeah.
Oh, the whole show.
You can't disrespect the respect that you give him.
Where's the no? The horn guy. The horner.
Certified minimum. Harmanas the beer.
Yes, that's the beer.
No, let's start in the morning. So Harmanas the beer.
Sorry, man.
The ambition is not ambitionable. There must be context to the story.
No, he mentioned the names. I feel like it's
We're buying buildings for 3.8 million cash.
Yo, you're breaking barriers.
I'm the only black person.
This deserves a horn. Where's the horn for that?
How do I draw from your energy to be great? You know, your first what black person? I'm like, okay, I might be a B partner somewhere now. We're moving. Might get a snack somewhere. It doesn't say compete.
Yeah.
It says, how do I become better by being with you?
You know how scared I get when this guy says something?
What the new age Zola 7? What an oligopoly, bro!
Nna ke nna Serame ka lebitso.
When usa starta ka dipudi, usa koma bele a pudi.
Pudi ya sokodisa. E tla go lwantshana le batho. Fa nne ke dila ka dintja like
Who farms dogs?
Important thata gabe ke research like o tshwantse wa checka something se le gore like was batla was rata and also is good for the market. Ke dikolobe ga di tswe simple because once you
how
e tshwara fela ya goa wa bona ke alarm fela yona ka bo yona.
Professional. Thank you, man. You're a trailblazer. That was the edition of the Business Lounge with Chanto Kejo and good evening, Mukono Prima.
When you set your standards or you set your boundaries, people are going to say, oh, you think you're all that. I am. And I don't care. I am. And I don't need you to make me feel like I am. I'm going to set this standard and I'm going to live by this standard. And I'm not going to let anybody come into my life, not even be a business partner, not be a marriage partner, not be a girlfriend, boyfriend, and pull me down to where you are.
Good evening, but let's go high. Good evening. Oh, hey, my voice is radio-ish today. Hey. Good evening, but let's go high. It's your Business Lounge with Gentle Kejo and Mkateko. What up, gents?
Yeah, man. How's it?
No, good, man. How's your week, guys? Like, it's very good to reflect. To reflect a bit before we get to heavy news. Like, taxi, what. How was your week, gents? What's happening? What's going on in Bukuni Bupirim?
The week has just been busy. I guess busy is sharp.
I always get this thing. Anyone who is in business always saying busy is fine. Happy? We must not mistake movement with progress. It is a lot.
Shot fired.
No, there's a lot of movement.
It's too early.
No, like,
it's moving pieces.
Guys, there's a lot of movement.
It's too early.
But are we moving?
Boy. Movement Ghana is made of various components.
All right. Tell us.
But the clever ones, but so
Mara move I kone wani. Mawuvaya khona ewane. Angeke ngithole.
Yeah, I know.
Ah man.
So obvious. Yeah, mari nkego. Mari why push, why force until.
Lutela ga ke mo first. Sure, mo first.
Sure, bro.
Sure.
Sure, bro.
I
Fan me.
think you're the subject matter on this first-thing thing.
Yeah.
Oh,
That's-
akiri,
And then go foster.
akiri.
Let's go le lava lava to ra foster.
Remember
Ba sa
you-
ba foster ka ko kai ba foster ing.
Remember, ufostile pyramid nja.
Nna.
Stata kwa.
Ai.
Uri ari ya ko pele. Good evening bagaitsu, dumelang bagaitsu. It's been a wonderful week. It's a Wednesday already. I've been talking to my team today. We're gonna have one of the busiest weekends. Relax it. But we're ready for it. In regards to the Love Boys.
No, we don't drop. I think one thing about your team is you guys try not to drop a ball all the time. You're doing good, man.
We're trying not to drop any ball
Any
at all.
Wawan. So Foster is living up to his name.
At all. So
And I think that's why you're inspiring a lot of people. Like, okay, I think inspiration is good. Let's talk about a little bit about inspiration. From business perspective, Mukateko. We ought. Hey, my man, we're supposed to have a meeting today.
No, yes.
Share to go the code.
Share to code RTB. The guy got out of the meeting. Kina ko no tswile ne. I'm phonela o tshwere ke flu. Kemara, don't come to the office.
Yeah.
Please don't come.
Could
So
be COVID.
we're gonna do visual come Monday.
Oh, visual meeting on Monday.
Yes.
So what this share the code thing? What happened? Look, I was looking at myself in that interview. Joel. Like, I sound like a clever person.
So share the code. Share the code is
Bro, like,
the thing is,
and I was mini drunk there.
Now I want to know from management, you know. So
Yeah.
the preparation going into that,
Trey didn't do the preparation. Oh, he
No,
was
I
on the
was
other car.
I was in the old cars. I was not in the
Oh, yo.
so I think we need to travel to the cameraman inside our
He was on the other. So there was a lot of preparations. Motileng. We heard
But
about.
nothing of that preparation had
Yes.
to work. That's the
Yes.
problem. I prepared for nothing.
But then like in your life for the first
No,
time
man.
ever.
are these business people?
I got
Everyone
17 pages.
No, it was not like,
And
I don't think it was panicking. It's respecting
Yes.
the platform. You know,
It's true.
People cannot just invite you to come to a business school. I mean, like they're not inviting me go gymming when high school in Buluin in Malamlelo where I'm from. Shout out to that high school. I mean, like I think the next deputy CEO of APSA is from my high school.
Aibo. Shut up. Where's the horn for that? Horn.
Somebody was saying, somebody gave me feedback. There's this new guy. He's always talking about the horn.
I said to Trey, you must move this whole tray.
Honestly, somebody was giving me feedback.
Oh, try the whole show.
It's gonna be a bell show.
Yeah,
so,
man,
so,
yeah.
so, so you gotta show respect, man. I think when problem becomes when you as a person start to take yourself more important than the task that you're being given. I think more often than not we say like I'm on it, I'm making it now. They're inviting me on this thing. It means you can't disrespect the respect that you're given.
And also,
And I think it's and I see it a lot around Rustenburg. And I don't think it's a Rustenburg issue. It's a general entrepreneurship issue. And that's why we're going to talk about mini boss. I mean, I just bumped into this thing yesterday. I was trying to get to research about it. And I think if as Batsadi regards that, some of these things will not look flashy or because you flash things that you think are flashy.
Yeah, but I wonder what actually leads people to start thinking like that.
Yeah.
Is linked to the level of how they think of growth and making it on their own. So you'll think it's like Wenanu. For someone who doesn't have maybe 100,000 rand, the minute they have it, maybe they lose focus in doing what they're supposed to do. So the level of inspiration.
Bro, we're buying buildings for 3.8 million cash.
Today,
Hey,
like
I looked into this property tracker. It's called what? That thing?
Yeah.
And I'm looking at that thing. Currently, we're having like 6 properties that are being registered in our name. I'm like, and when I looked at that, I said grace.
Yeah.
I was like, God. I was like, God. You know?
Yabana, if I can say this, allow me to say this.
Yeah.
Before we got into the property, we get a real property. The thing is, when your story is solid,
Yeah.
and you don't have to lie. You always say, with lies, you must always remember. What
remember.
to say. You understand? So your talk was based on reality, the things the lessons that you've learned on the entrepreneurship journey, not the fake ones that you always hear people coming from. Talking about and stuff. So that's why it was very easy for you to be able to convey, to explain, and to answer the questions, you understand? Because it's something that you love, it's something that you went through, it's something that you do on a daily basis.
I think if there's one episode that a lot of people, like, they don't need to watch all these weekly shows that we do and what they must watch that one.
But
Shete Code
Trey.
on our YouTube.
Just
they must
Trey.
watch that one.
Just try.
They must just watch that one. Like, I think they're gonna learn a lot. I mean, like, they're gonna learn a lot from that one. It's.
I mean,
but
after the conversation, after the talk, the guy came to me, called me and arranged a meeting today. Just that I didn't take the meeting. He also listens to the show. He also went and researched more about us. It shows that we left a mark. We left an impact, and he said, you know what? I want to partner with the Business Lounge for me to launch the Share the Code Northwest.
During
where's the no?
The horn guy. The honor.
Bon, I just want to add one more thing.
Be careful about those things. The what? On radio talk.
I didn't say that.
The what?
Honor.
I don't think that sounds right.
It's English. Bon, I just want to say something.
I don't think there's a it just came up here.
Bon, do you know every year they add a new word in the dictionary? So yeah, this one came.
Yes, you wanted to say something.
Yeah, so I just wanted to say, G, you put an undertone in your level of preparation towards that talk. But I want to say that without that preparation, you might have found the whole discussion a bit more challenging. But because of the preparation and over-preparation, as is being suggested, that's how you end up finding yourself excelling in the talk. And remember, when you're dealing with educated individuals there, they don't just ask you basic questions.
Yeah, and I think the lady, the interviewer, was she's good.
She's good.
She's good. Like, she didn't interview, we spoke.
Yeah, it was
We had a conversation. And it just flew, man. I think, shout out to the audience, man. Man, the audience was beautiful, man. The audience was really, like, there's nothing beautiful than being in a company of like-minded people. Like, you can feel the energy. You really can literally feel the energy. But there's something that I wanted us to talk about, and then you've got it in your preps, all of you there, right? The mini boss. Can you read what the mini boss is about, Khadisimo?
Mini Boss Business School is an international educational network dedicated to providing business education to children and teenagers aged 6 to 18. So there are few points.
Guess who are enrolled for this now?
6 to 18.
After I did that, I was like, yay. No, man. I sent an inquiry for Butumi and Ranzu.
Nice.
And Kateko. Not you, Mkateko. I've got a daughter called Kateko.
Shout out to Kateko.
See, where's the hole?
So
Yeah.
I think, I mean, like, go down, man. Go down and
So
understand
the key points about the institution: foundation and global presence. Established in 2000, Miniboss has expanded over 60 schools worldwide, with its head office located in Edinburgh, the United
the
Kingdom.
UK.
Right. So educational programs. The school offers 8 courses, curriculum designed to develop entrepreneurial skills and leadership qualities. This include practical experiences such as startup forums and business incubators. Nice.
Yeah, no.
International diploma. Graduates receive an international recognized UK diploma, enhancing their prospects for higher education and future careers. What?
Bro. The franchise side, franchise opportunities is another thing.
Yes. So,
Presence in South Africa.
yeah. In Joburg, Mini Boss Business School operates at Workshop 1738 West Street, Sunten, providing a local access to its program.
Bona, ne? What?
I think we normally say, and then another part that is not there on the prep is this only runs on weekends.
Oh.
So it can be both online and physical. So the kids can take the online most of the time, and then when they need to be at the school, they can be there. I think we normally say no, we're not taught about this thing. I think as parents we need to invest in this thing.
Very true.
Imagine your kids being in a business school, bro.
From 6.
From
six,
six, bro.
Oh, yeah, imagine a 6-year-old
I
mini
don't wanna
boss.
see-
Imagine,
I don't wanna
imagine by the time
I don't want to see Butomi after graduation.
certified mini boss.
Hey, more room. You're not doing it right.
Daddy, I am firing all the stuff.
No, it's gonna be the. I don't think the staff understands how to move the demand curve in order for us to maximize within the competitive space that we're in.
Bon.
So besti, Bra,
But Uncle Kero, what is the elasticity of our market within the business that we're operating in? No,
But man,
in order to respond to the elasticity, I think we need to enhance the marketing in order for us. You know,
Bon,
I agree your friend is studying for exam, so it's fine.
yeah, bon.
He's rehearsing.
It's fresh.
So there's something. Yesterday we took a drive, no? When I was excited how white people are doing their business.
Okay.
I was the one driving. I was a chauffeur.
Okay.
Yesterday.
oh yeah, I forgot
Driving,
about the thing.
driving Gert.
No, it's Harmanas de Beer.
Yes,
So
started the
Harnaman-
beer.
No, let's start in the morning. So Harmanas de Beer
Yeah.
Yes.
called me back. Say, Jay, I wanna come to Rustenburg and have a meeting with you. He's based in
Cape
Cape Town. Cape Town.
Cape Town.
Cape Town. He's got his own, not a family watuati.
Uqalile man. Kufanelekile kuza boss wakho.
His own wine farm.
What time?
So
Okay.
he calls me and says, no, I want to link up with you. So to give context to this thing, this is the owner of Bafa.
Buff.
Okay.
Bafa Funerals.
Okay, okay.
Those guys, they invested heavily in property.
Property. Yeah.
That's why all these properties that are still around, they own them. So we've bought the Madigwe property. So it's like, come, man, I'm coming this side. I want to meet you. Boom, boom, boom. We meet. I was at a meeting. He asked me that, do you know Trey? I'm like, yeah, man.
Siya kanjani lapho.
I
want to talk about inspiration.
No,
Yes.
I'm looking at context. Man.
Okay.
And I'm like, I've heard about Utrey. And Utrey. That time, I had powers to cancel Trey's meeting and everything. I was like, no, I've heard about Trey.
It's three hard. Next
I heard that he started his videography thing yesterday. And then
He bought 3 drones.
he's trying to compete with me And then he's got Kodak cameras. Safilimi. You know what? How do you compete? Kadi camera tsa film. Ona tsela tsa malume ole wa.
Yeah.
King bicycle na. Na ba bitsa bicycle. Humbug, sorry, humbug.
Ke Dickville or King.
Yeah, hamba.
Gamba. Bicycle la malume ne. Atla ka 1 ka Sunday. And I know you wanna compete with someone who's on drones, bro.
No.
Ambition e kana kana man.
No. Marbon, this is the same discussion, ambition, chief. So,
No, but the ambition is not ambitionable. Don't ambition yourself out of your
Hi, sorry,
business.
but Nna
So-
ke baka go drive go ya bread.
So after that, so I tell him that no, I don't know, no, I just heard about them, and they're not a biggie.
so
I said,
Trey is
okay.
famous. Nah?
He said okay, and then he said okay, sharp. Let's go to what do you want to talk about now? Hey, talk.
So we got in the car.
There must be context to the story.
No, and started driving. So, but I was listening to the conversation.
Purple Rain.
You know,
Yes.
the beautiful
If you
stories.
know, you know. How do you bring social media talks to radio? I think we are legends.
Guys,
I think we're legends, bro. Like, how do you talk like you're
sorry, why is it natural? You know, I'm very sorry, man.
Okay, go on.
So, Mina was inspired how, you know, we driving to Brett's, right? He's having conversation about the business, you know. One thing that I liked about him, it's one he was talking about the brothers who started Martins, right? Saying they were
And they
friends.
learned from there.
They learned from them.
Bro. And
Understand?
look how Martin got to be so big.
Martin got to be so big, but he said no. He and they take me back to the thing that we always talk about, the succession plan.
So we spoke about it with him in our meeting in the morning. So to say, I want us to talk. So he's going to be one of the people that I interview. That's why I kept on saying we must come to Cape Town. So I'm going to interview him. Interview his mom. His mom is still alive.
Oh.
So the business was started by his mom and his stepfather. Now the mom is still alive. So it's gonna we're gonna get the transition from that, and then I want to understand. For me, it's very important because I want to understand from him why didn't it succeed?
Oh, yes.
Or was it a change? Because we might think as a business, as a Mashopani family, we must always be in a funeral business. That's not necessarily true. We might divest and change
diversification,
into
yeah.
something else. So we also understand that that's part of how the businesses evolve. Because one of the key things or the key determinants of succession is Ranzu might not be interested in Mosha perspective.
Yes.
But might be interested in business. So now he might shape the whole business other way. You understand? So it's really interesting. So I'm gonna be interviewing him
Nice.
about that. I asked him about that. But the key thing that you're forgetting is the pack that he told us about.
Yes,
The franchising pack.
the franchising pack. Before I come into the franchising pack, he said that guy from Martins,
was a friend to his
right,
brother.
was a friend to his brother. He mentioned the names. And this guy came to work,
Yeah.
right? Go Baf for some time, learning the tricks about the business,
Yeah.
right? Then from there, Abalailar gents, I'm starting Martins.
And then they gave him his blessing.
And they give him the blessing. And Rona Mamatlongabon, Arona, Nere Bafale, the Martins are competing.
No, I think it's because of us black people. I mean, it's the same thing as Ribangwe and Pyramid. I started Ribangwe for Fonsuku. Gave him everything. But because as black people, we were so competitious. We've got that syndrome to be saying, I want to be higher than this, and we can't coexist.
It's
It becomes a
called,
problem.
PhD
It becomes a
syndrome,
problem.
huh?
It becomes a problem. So I think we are gonna take long, man, together. That's why we need to take our kids to mini boss.
I know.
take our kids to mini boss, they will know how to collaborate. They will know how to network. They will know how to leverage out of it. You know, like in business language, it talks about leverage. Leverage doesn't say compete. It says, how do I become better by being with you?
Yes.
How do I draw from your energy to be great? How do I drink from your wealth of knowledge? It doesn't say how do I compete. If I have to compete with you, I must come with my own knowledge to compete your knowledge. But if I want to leverage, I'm learning. I'm subjecting myself to you in order to learn. But how many proteges that we know in black families that that ended up wanting to kill the master?
No, it's,
I mean,
it's
look
very
at
typical.
home. Look at that boy. The bassist boy, man. What's his name? It was Nduna Bangwanati before.
Yes,
now
yes,
it's
Did I change the name?
before Nduna Bangwanati. I get it was Nduna Bangwanati. Now it's changing to his thing. That Howard boy. Like you end up.
But it's very typical, ne?
You end up trying to erase the one who taught you.
You see, for me, all of that has to do with knowledge sharing.
Yeah.
So leveraging is one thing. Like you were saying, if Keho has the drive and desire to be within that space, Keho must actually avail himself to be within the space. Even if you try to teach someone and say, these are the ropes that I'm giving you, if the drive is not aligned, you are not going to make it. So truly, for succession within business, you must also look into the diversification.
But another thing about succession what that people don't understand. Now that I'm researching more about it, succession doesn't have to be family.
Yes.
Succession.
Yes. Yes.
It doesn't have to be. You can be like succession is about how do you keep the company running.
Yes.
Exactly.
It's just that as my blood, you've got a better chance of taking it over.
But if your
But
drive is not aligned,
if I know this one is a nyaup, and then I'm gonna give this one a nyaup,
you are-
and I'm not.
you are
it's
killing
not
the
about-
business.
You're killing it because succession is about how do we keep the business going.
But I want us also to as you do your research, maybe one day to get more into it about the succession
So
plan,
I even
especially
you know, Kharis, just that. Do you know that there is a FABASA, family-owned business association? So I'm a member now of that. I mean, I was like, wow, only white people.
you are breaking barriers. man.
I'm the only black person.
This deserves a horn. Where's the horn for that?
I bumped.
you are honest.
This is the only thing.
As you continue.
And I bumped into it when I was doing my research. And I sent a message. And they were so delighted. You know, your first what black person. I'm like, okay, I might be a B partner somewhere now. We're moving. I might get a stake somewhere. My black face might work for me. But there is establishments like that. We don't know about them. And it's a community that is trying by all means to say family business must strive
And
beyond the
founders.
beyond the owners. I mean, like, one thing that I'm always having with the old man is like, I envy him. I'm like, at least when you successfully transition to the next generation. It's, I mean, like, if I can successfully transition this and be having the conversation that I'm having with my old man with Ranzo, bro. Like I get a call from Ranzo telling me that, Dad, I just bought a 158 million rand building.
No.
I will be. I can die at that time. I can say, God, take me.
Bon, you know, the advantage that is there now is the fact that we have information.
Yeah.
And with the information that we have, we can be able to share and be able to guide.
But I think for today, if Baratuko Khaya can do something, please research mini boss. Right? Please do that. Let's check. I mean, like, I know we don't have money. But instead of raw property, very emergency. And nak quality tender prinag, wale manyora, adi vev, manyora adi slay queenie, manyora adi amavuso. Injaga. Google mini pause injaga. Nakwaliwa manyora di tattoo obra tray. Bobra tray like manyora like
You know how scared I get when this guy says something.
hey man. I think we need to get our visitors. I think we get our guests. It's time for our guests.
Can I just say something? Obviously, with the inflation slowing down, a lot of salaries now. There's a lot of buying power. So
A lot of disposable income now.
disposable income is good. So there's a real take-home salary has rose.
So let's do this. Before we go to the real salary, we're speaking about mini-boss. If there's a parent, or the one parent
One.
out there that is listening to us, that will want to take their kids to mini-boss, as the business lounge, who can sponsor that. So they must inbox our Facebook page.
Shout out to that.
Our Facebook page.
That's a boss move.
We are willing to take
One.
two. Oh, yeah, no, two. So it's a girl and a
Girl
boy.
and a boy.
Yeah. No.
But we're willing to take one girl, one boy to mini-boss business school.
Kahle we decide to be go SABC, go kai because you are helping people.
I mean, we are what the new age Zola 7.
People are just there and moonlighting.
Hey man, sorry man, you're saying inflation, buying power.
Bona is aligned with that. Because of the buying power, it means even more parents can also be able to do the same thing as what we're talking about now. So, I mean, right now, the average take home is about 14,292. You see, that is quite good in relation to what has been going on. I mean, people have been suffering. The minute you have more buying power, the better the things and the better the life.
Thank you very much. So we're gonna introduce our guest after this. I mean, like, hey, our billboards are about to. You know, when there's a lot of like I'm talking about microeconomics. When we talk about price and markets. When there's a lot of entry, when the barrier to entry is too low. As the leaders,
no, you have to kill this.
We're an oligopoly, bro. Go and fetch that, man. We are an oligopoly. Do you get what that means? Damn! We are an oligopoly, bro. What is this? No, but it's we're about to introduce our guest after the biggest moisturist advert is marinating your ears. Good evening, but it's welcome to the Business Lounge with Gentle Kiho and Mkateko. We've got our guest,
Mr. Serame-Mpako.
Yeah, man.
Bona, Mr. Serame-Mpako, director of Winter Holdings. So we are very excited for he's here with us. Bona, Mr. Serame, welcome. Welcome to the business show. How are you feeling?
Ke ikutlwa ke siame thata. Ke le dumedisa da ke lebogela this opportunity gore le nkamogela mo Radio Mafisa.
It will be
at the Business Lounge.
At the Business Lounge. Bon, it will be unfair to not give a shout out again to Jasa. Where's the horn for Jasa, man?
I think Jasa is so this is the product of Jasa?
Yes.
Wow,
Junior
man.
Achievement South Africa.
You see, it's aligned with that mini-boss business school. Really, it is. You guys at Jasa are doing a lot, man.
Yeah, I know.
Yes.
I think Mama had to make this about she must just come and say hi. I mean, like the amount of impact she went out. Okay, cool.
Okay. Bon, okay, let me just kickstart, ne? Tell us, man, who are you? What inspired you? And how do you feel about being called an entrepreneur?
Nna ke nna Serame ka lebitso ka sefane ke Mphako ke tswa ke le ko Mabela Pudi. Ke tsenetse program ya Junior Achievement South Africa ka 2016. And re ruta ka di business na ba ruta ka marketing research before ka simola business or kgwebo gago o bo researchitse ka yone. So gana go ntse tsamaya be ke simola ke tsa agriculture and then ka simola ka batlisisa ka diphologolo ka simolola ka bakisa ka bo dikolobe so gore ga o batla o simolola dikolobe pila ke tse feng tse e le goreng o batla go simolola ka tsone like ke breed e feng ya nnete e le goreng is good for the market.
Don't think gore kolobe engwe le engwe ke the same, ne?
No, a di tshwana.
We're going to be schooled today. I know that there is boss fark, there is what.
Yes, ga di tshwana. Ba mara ga kolobe ke kolobe, pudi ke pudi, kgomo ke kgomo, ga di bereke yalo.
So when o sa starta ka dipudi o tsa koma bele a pudi.
Yeah, man. I mean, default. Like, I'm just going to put this thing out.
No, pudi. No, pudi ke bone gore a etla nsokodisa. Ya sokodisa.
O ka se purilo.
Pudi ya sokodisa. Etla go lwantshana le batho.
Yeah.
So my brother, now you entered CAR 2016, you said, right?
Yes, CAR 2016.
And what grade were you at that time?
By that time, nearly out of school, like fetsa matric.
Yeah.
Yes, like fetsa matric.
And then now, normally, but how fetsa matric, they get this disgruntled, but no, if I got tertiary, there's nothing happening for me. What made you keep on the lookout for the opportunities to dealing thing? Can say, okay, say advice ang luwa na bang. Can say so thing uska fela pele gore like now. I'm assuming you were not a tertiary at that time.
Yes.
So, what made you man? Something will come up. What made you to do that?
No, ke bile ka ipotsa dipotso fela gore like ke eng se le gore maybe nka survive ka go phela like nka dira eng gore ke kgone go survive because I get wa itse mo botsholong thuso ga itle just like that. And then ka bona gore okay a ke simolle dikolobe but before nka simolla na ke batla mmereko mo monong o monyana so a ba nthare gore a mpotsa gore ge le go connection tsa go a di go berekile qualification e go berekile o ile go etsa eng gore o kgone go survive mo botsholong. And question ele yang hita ka nagana ka yone like bosigo bontsi thata ntse ke nagana ka yone. And then I end up ka yone program ya Junior Achievement South Africa ke botsa di mentor tsa ka Junior Achievement South Africa ke batla go simolla this. I was thinking ka dikolobe and then ba advise gore okay it's a research gore what is the right product for the market and or the market yang
So you started ka dikolobe?
Yes, ke simolola ka dikolobe I think they were 4 ile di piglets.
So ke kopa gore o re tse through the journey ya go kreya dikolobe and maybe gona le moretsi go lapeng o batla go itse like you've been saying you've been looking for a right breed and stuff like that, so take us through the process.
Ke simolotse ka dikolotswane ke di piglets and then we went le mentor ka wa Junior Achievement South Africa to this guy o le gore o na breed ka dikolobe and then he had this red breeds tse le gore o ne a di ruile and then
what's the right breed?
Ona a ruile dikolobe tse di ba ke di large white plus di F1 le di Jurok. So Jurok itse ke kolobe ya nama mostly ga ena di speke tse di kima ga ena mafura mantsi specifically for meat. Yes, so ona tshwere di breed tse so ebe ke reka 4 and then a ba mpolelela gore re se ka di fa bo magogo boeng because na ke simolotse ke le mo jareteng a kere so na ke sa batla go lwantshana le baagisane and then yone for you ka rekela di feet na ke reka mo Bosoku ke reka feet and then ke dileletse metsinyana and then ke tshela ntwengwe bitsa ba ke sawdust.
Okay, yes.
So after 3 days engwe le ngwe ke tla be ke cleaner hoko ele so the neighbors are sa kgone go utla gore go ka fa le gona dikolobe and everything. Yes so for you ke ga ntse ke godisa yone and then after that ke reka po and then poya
so all 4 was female?
Yes, all
what
four.
breed were they for?
Neile di land race.
Okay.
Yes, neile di land race, they were 4.
It's a bacon.
Yeah, le tsone ke tsa bacon. Di gola botelle and di nna big
Okay.
and di nna muscular.
Mhm.
Yes, so the breed ke land race, Jurok and the F1. So the F1 ke mix wa Jurok and land race.
Hey, imagine Kolobe ba re ke F1. Hey we. Ha gore ya tsoko ho
Yes, everybody large white. So the most important thing ka tsone ke gore ga wa tshwanna go etsa dilo tse ba di tsang ke di inbreeding.
Yeah.
Yes, yeah.
Because I think we tried it. I mean, like, in the farm, like, so good try. So good try the when we opened the farm, he did large white. We had large white there.
Okay.
They became cannibalistic. And if you don't feed those things,
Yeah.
they feed off each other.
It's
Yes.
crazy.
Yeah.
So
How do you manage? Because like, Kuluwe ya jamuna, like every time when there's food in front of that thing, it eats.
Yeah, yone ya ja because every time that thing dumela gore like e chotle mogodi wa teng o different like ga ena mogodi le gore ngwa sila
Ke
so
pipe.
yeah ke pipe so how if I feed we fa 1 kg phakela 1 kg later so feed e le na le di protein tse di rileng tse le gore di kgona go thusa kolobe e gole ka tsela e right but go di fa magogo
It's just
dilo
junk
tse yeah junk food like dia kokotlela so dia ota ga di gole sharp and go ankga yeah
So now I just want to find out. Obviously, no, only this knowledge. How much of that knowledge was through the entire process itself? Like, have you lost stock? How do you make sure your pigs are okay? Because I also have a friend.
swine flu.
Well, one
Yes.
vaccination, those type of things. I have a friend, Lena. He researched a lot, and then later on, when he wanted to sell these pigs to the abattoir, but these ones are too fat. So how much of that have you learned through the entire process, other than just information that you got, just to understand the journey from lived experience?
Ka experience ka gang golo pile mo agriculture ke gore go phela ka hope yeah le tshepo thata gore okay o beile diphologolo go se kgweng gore beile mo jareteng but you are just hoping gore di increase ga o itse gore go ile o dira gale so dikolobe tse la ke fetsa go reka ga fo e le fetsa go nna fully matured and e fetsa go gola sentle ka ile o reka po somewhere go Thekwane po ile 24 hours because ga ile isa mo vene ya jump I have a so jump in 24 hours ke ha iso
Hey, sir.
and then you already paid kolobe eo so ke ona gape journey engwe tough and then gape engwe ke ya go rekisa gape jaaka abuti a ntsa bua fana gore nako ngwe tlhela o go ile o rekisa and then people are offering the price le gore bona ke bona ba di batlang o ya kwa batho o ya go barekeng this thing go auctioning ba go boela gore no kg rona re etsa ka bokana so nako ngwe dilo tse o dira le go discourage nyana kana go e dikolobe tse o di aja like they are eating and batho ga bana hana okay you have to buy food gore di nne ka that quality and then ba go offera di price tsa teng so mo go lwaleng da gona go lwala but how the vaccinator shaba from piglets in 7 days o tshwanetse wa ditlhaba vaccination engwe bitsa ke Dixoron so o inject the piglets ka yona that vaccine within 7 days so di tlabe di nna healthy di nna sharp fela and then di bomba tsone ga di anyisa o di fa feed engwe ba bitsa ba re ke lactatin so e etsa gore masha a kolobe a increase a nne mo go yone so bana ba le ba kgona go kry enough milk
So with all these challenges, and then I love the fact that you spoke about this farming thing. It's just you gotta love it. I see that in your side hustle, your hustler, because hey, they die. I mean, like I'm into pig, no, not pig, man, sheep, goat, and cow farming, and you buy a proper Brahman. stud.
Registered.
Registered, bruh. And then Safitla Rafale, not even die, but I remember the other one that it injured itself like the hand. It was so injured that we had to take it down.
Yeah, it's only challenges that thing.
It's really challenging. But now, my question to you: what motivated? Like you did the pig. Let's go to the next livestock that you have, right?
Okay.
Yeah. What other livestock study? Because we don't want to only talk to you on one dimension from the farming.
Currently, kids are dinja like
Who farms dogs? Dog farmer. Woof woof. Damn dog.
no.
Literally.
We must get a pit bull there.
No, pit bull.
Alright.
Pit bull. I don't have pit bulls because pit bulls are. Yeah, I don't want to mention the pit bulls because one about ba di rata and
breeder, yes.
yeah, ba na le tsone. So
Yes.
Tell us about it. It's the first time I hear dog farmer.
yes, no, we are breeder ka tsone dinja. So go na le body brew bull like
Let's talk about what you do.
no, I have brew bull.
Okay.
Yeah, brew bull. So yeah, yone is okay, but generally challenges a lot.
How do you commercialize that one? How do you make money on that?
O etsa ka di puppy. Mostly usually the puppies are brew bull. I think the kibo 3,000, 4,000,
So
5.
8 weeks. King, let's say after 8 weeks or 16 weeks.
After 16.
After 16, at 4.5.
Yes.
So I think I love dogs. I used to do it not commercially so. So what's the? I mean, how do you start? And kolapeng, we know dogs, but how do you start and how's the community? Because I'll come to you. Let's go for pup, you know. But now you in that game, especially the bulls. How do you start and how's the process?
O somola ka tsone like the pipe. I get phologolo pila is good how e simola ele pipe. Like ele pipe or ele piglets or because of ya tloela batho ke. Yeah, so brubulu but how much I didn't aggressive but how it's okay, this is for breeding. You can't afford to go aggressive. Because once an aggressive heka sutla yo ja dipudi tsa batho yo loma motho yo etsa eng and then o tsena mo mathate.
Can you imagine? Again, the farmers, they all have shots, nah? And when you are breeding, dinja.
I don't you know, is it true that Brew Bull is more dangerous than Pit Bull?
The bad force ya thing. But temperament there is something different.
Okay.
Yes, hanga tla ke tshwere Brew Bull and then wa batla go itshwara. E ka se ilo yalo compared to Pit Bull.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, Brew Bull yone it's fine with kids and with everyone.
Not my kids. So now what's in there for you in terms of your business now? Let's bring you back to your business. And someone is listening and you inspire a lot of people. If someone want to get into this farming business, because most of the time when we talk about farming, we speak about crop farming and all that. But you're in a livestock and you're in a very special a niche farming, which is the dog farming. And I think really it's the first time I sit with someone who is farming dogs. Now, what advice do you have to someone who's got the very same interest? What is it that they must do? They don't know anything about JSA, and they can't, even if they know, they can't get a hold of them. What is it that they can do in their own space in order to progress, in order to realize Toroyabon?
Ke nagana yona ntho e important thata gabe ke research, like o tshwantse wa checka something se le gore like was rata and also is good for the market, and batho le bona ba batla, And like at Junior Achievement South Africa, I think they have their website, and then ba khona go tsamisa through the process and with the research sharp ba go train sharp. Yeah, ke wena ntho engwe le gore like e important eo. And how ya go mo farming o itse gore ke go berekwa ka tshepo and sacrifice, you know, gona le batho ba ile goreng ai kolobe ja magogo khomo ke khomo ya iphulela ha ona le dikhomo ga wa tshwana no reka poo ba tshwana le dipofo motseng di tla kopana wa bona, and you are breeding wrong because o tshepela mo mothong o mong wa bona. So khangolo ke gore you can do things one step at a time. Yes, uskata because of we lo tata o fetso tata o kira one accident and then you just give up like that.
Amen.
So why it's okay how sumulza kolobetsa 5 if you lose one o se ka 4 okay we sumolo go khono handle pain of losing animals. Okay, no go etsagala so like for example someone who na loses, I think it will do with $500,000 somewhere kwa mafikeng di bethule ke le hadima. So motho
I think I saw it on our groups.
Yeah,
the
Bonsmar.
yeah.
Yes, you see what I give up on agriculture because of why it's why I so the most important thing is why we simulate even though the challenges but the most important thing is gain experience how even you fail go back or gain a matlanyana, and then because one of agriculture or whatever they are doing it's berekela. So why should we give up on so this thing is working?
Last one from me, ne? Like recently a lot of cases just stock theft, ne? And a lot of people the last weekend someone was telling me they lost 11 cows. Imagine 11 cows. So for someone who was aspiring to even get into farming, I'm hearing stories like this. For when in your business now, how have you experienced anything like that, Komutsing? And then what are the plans that you guys put in place to avoid stuff like that? Wadimaka, these days, technology, are you putting them something where you are able to trace them and stuff like that? And then just for say Winter Holdings, what is the long-term goal also?
Oh, okay. No, ya mathomo ya hutswa ga dikgomo gaeng. That is why ke go ntleng research e botlhokwa. Nna ke simolotse ka samselo ke na le capacity taso. Yes, nka simolle ka you can't just buy cows gore o dise go morakeng o ntse itse go security sa go morakeng sa leka fence how hair sharp how isu tlwana le modisa ha isu tlwana le batho, but you just wake up okay ke ile reka dikgomo for the sake of having cows. So na capacity ka nne ntumela go ke nne le dikolobe, but okay dikolobe ga di tswe simple because once you yeah how it's tshwara fela ya goa wa bona ke alarm fela yona ka bo yona. So a ka etsa ntwe le gore ga ke na capacity teng, mare if maybe I'm going forward maybe mo go nne le dikgomo I have to put them in a farm. Yeah, and iseng fela for momotseng because ke ntwe le gore e worth more. So ntwe le gore e worth more like home obviously ke about 10,000 upwards. So you need to take care of that thing. O sa e ba fela mo morakeng fela because of you are having cows. Yes, but long-term goals I think maybe long-term goals ke gore ke feletse le gore ke na le maybe some stores le gore ke di supply ka meat. Yeah, that's a long-term goals. I think that thing also will manage to provide jobs for other people.
No man, thank you very much. I think Rakoleboga for coming here, and more importantly, Rakoleboga J is saying.
Yes.
Someone who toletse what I like mentor,
Okay.
How do they get hold of you? Sing store or sing manyana, bro. strictly business. Even if you strictly business women. Farming. Not the other farming. Don't farm other things. Yeah, because the product of the other things that you get. Strictly for professional. Hey! Anything for breathing.
You can
Ela breathe at the farmer.
I know. Tandi.
No.
Nimthatha hapi lo kaloku. Okay, yes sir.
How do people get all of you? Like liba batlang go supporta. Liba maybe you gonna li di kulutswana tse di ba bona gore I know a re sa di batla tse. Re ka di donate go ngwane wa go gae. How do they get all of you?
Cell phone number ya ka ke 083 766 2035 and Facebook page ya ka ke Se Winter Brudare.
Se Winter Brudare.
Yes, Se Winter Brudare.
No, thank you, man. Thank you for coming, and would like to thank JSA for making this happen. I think as we agreed, let's have these stories. So even next week we need to tell these stories so that people can understand that we are, as black people, we are capable.
Yes.
And then given opportunities, we will utilize them and utilize them to our fullest. Thank you, man. You're a trailblazer. We're gonna be having later in the year. We're gonna be having a gala dinner, man, or like with all the entrepreneurs that we have here. And then you guys are the people that are going to show the other kids that, it is possible to be self-sufficient.
Yes.
It is possible to be a job creator, not a job seeker. Because we need a generation of job creators.
Yes.
In order to deal with that 46% of unemployment in youth, that 46% of people need to have half of them, if they can be job creators, it means that number will be zero.
Yeah.
Just strive to employ one person.
Yeah, you're
So thank you very much. That was the edition of the Business Lounge with Chanto Keho and the horn guy. When are you graduating, man? This is our MBA guy. Like guys with MBAs, bro.
Born, eh?
Hey, I wish I'm you when I grow up, man.
Don't worry. You must study hard and big up
Yo!
to you. You must
drink more water.
Drink more water and study hard.
Drink water. Before class, take a walk when you're tired.
Don't be too much. Don't be too hard on yourself. Stress.
It's possible. No. Thank you, Mr.
Good
Salamapa.
evening, Rustin back. Good evening, Mukono Primam. The rain is still people.
When you set your standards or you set your boundaries, people are going to say, oh, you think you're all that. I am. And I don't care. I am. And I don't need you to make me feel like I am. I'm going to set this standard, and I'm going to live by this standard. And I'm not going to let anybody come into my life, not even be a business partner, not be a marriage partner, not be a girlfriend, boyfriend, and pull me down to where you are.